Hello and welcome back to the Odoo channel. In our previous video, we explored how to apply global discounts in the Odoo 18 point of sale. Today, we're focusing on line discounts, a handy feature that lets you apply discounts to individual items in the customer's order instead of the entire sale. It's a great way to fine-tune pricing and offer targeted deals right at the checkout. Let's jump in and see how it works. First, open the point of sale module. For this demo, I'm going to set up the line discount for the bakery shop. To do that, you can click on Configuration, then Settings, and use the drop-down menu at the top to select the POS you want to configure. Or alternatively, click the three-dot menu next to the bakery shop, then Edit, and open its settings directly. Next, scroll down until you find the line discounts option. Just tick the checkbox that says Allow cashiers to set a discount per line. Once that's done, don't forget to save your changes. Alright, let's see how it works in action. Head back to the dashboard and click Open Register next to the bakery shop. Set your opening cash. I'll just enter something like 1000 and click Open Register one more time. Next, I'll add a few random products to the order. Let's go with an apple pie, a blueberry muffin, and a cinnamon roll. To apply a discount to a specific item, just tap on the product line, then hit the % button, and enter the discount amount. For example, if you want to give a 5% discount on the apple pie, you'll enter 5, and the discount is applied instantly. Now let's say we want to apply a different discount to the blueberry muffin. Same process. Tap the item, click the % button, and enter the new discount. And if you accidentally apply a discount to the wrong item, no problem, just tap the product again, hit the % button, and change the discount to 0. That will restore the original price. As you can see, each product can have its own unique discount. This is the flexibility line-based pricing offers in Odoo. Once you've reviewed the order, you can proceed to payment. Select the customer if needed. I'll choose Anita Oliver. Then choose a payment method. Let's go with card. And if the customer asks for an invoice, make sure to enable that option. Finally, click Validate to confirm that transaction. Once processed, the receipt will display a clear breakdown of each product, the individual discounts applied, and the final total. By using line discounts effectively, you can customize your pricing approach, increase customer satisfaction, and run promotions more strategically, directly at the point of sale. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Odoo channel for more Odoo tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.